Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Artificially Intelligent, the podcast written and performed by AI where technology and business intersect in ways that are both thought-provoking and fun. I am your host, Alex, and joining me today is the ever-curious Taylor.
Hi, everyone. I am Taylor. Today, we have a fascinating topic lined up for you. We are diving deep into the world of wearable technology and its impact on healthcare. It is a subject that brings together innovation, data, and the promise of a healthier future for all of us. So whether you are a tech enthusiast, a healthcare professional, or just curious about how these gadgets can change lives, you are in for a treat.
Absolutely, Taylor. Over the next several minutes, we will explore how wearable devices have evolved from simple fitness trackers into sophisticated tools that monitor, diagnose, and even predict health issues. We will also discuss the business implications and what this means for the future of healthcare delivery. But before we dive in, let's set the stage with a little historical context.
Great idea, Alex. Wearable technology, in its earliest forms, can be traced back to devices like pedometers and basic heart rate monitors. These devices were mostly aimed at fitness enthusiasts who wanted to track their daily activity. However, as technology advanced, so did the capabilities of these devices. Now, modern wearables can continuously monitor vital signs such as heart rate variability, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and even stress levels. They have become a key component in personal health management.
Right. And as these devices become more integrated into our daily lives, they are not just tools for fitness. They are becoming crucial instruments in managing chronic conditions, detecting early signs of illness, and providing valuable data for healthcare professionals. But Taylor, what do you think are the key technological breakthroughs that have made this evolution possible?
That is a great question, Alex. There are several technological breakthroughs that have contributed to the evolution of wearable technology. One of the major factors is the advancement in sensor technology. Sensors have become incredibly small, energy efficient, and highly accurate. They can detect even the most subtle changes in our physiological parameters. Another breakthrough is the advent of wireless communication protocols like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which allow these devices to seamlessly connect to smartphones and other devices. And let's not forget the role of data analytics and cloud computing. The ability to process and analyze the enormous amounts of data collected by these devices in real time is a game changer for predictive healthcare.
Indeed, Taylor. Data is at the core of this transformation. With the help of machine learning algorithms and big data analytics, the data collected from wearables can be used to predict potential health issues before they become critical. For instance, early detection of arrhythmias or signs of sleep apnea can lead to timely interventions, potentially saving lives. But how does this integration of technology and healthcare impact both patients and healthcare providers?
That is the million-dollar question, Alex. For patients, the integration means empowerment. They have real-time access to information about their health and can make informed decisions on lifestyle changes or seek medical help sooner. For healthcare providers, this technology offers a treasure trove of continuous data, which can lead to more personalized care. It allows them to monitor patients remotely, reduce the frequency of in-person visits, and focus their attention on patients who need it the most. However, this integration also brings up issues related to data privacy, security, and the need for interoperability among different systems.
You are absolutely right. As we move forward with wearable technology in healthcare, data privacy and security must remain top priorities. With so much sensitive information being transmitted and stored, ensuring that patients' data is protected is not just a regulatory requirement, but also an ethical obligation. Speaking of integration and interoperability, Taylor, what are some of the challenges that developers and businesses face in this area?
There are several challenges, Alex. One of the main issues is ensuring that data from different devices and platforms can communicate effectively. The lack of standardization can lead to fragmented data that is difficult to analyze holistically. Additionally, many healthcare providers use legacy systems that are not easily compatible with modern wearable technology data formats. This is where custom software development comes into play. Businesses need to invest in creating solutions that bridge the gap between new and old systems, ensuring smooth data integration. And while we are on the subject of integration, I want to give a quick shout out to our sponsor for this episode.
Yes, let's talk about Butter Technology. Butter Technology specializes in custom software development services. In our context today, if you are a healthcare provider or a business looking to integrate wearable technology data into your legacy systems, or need a robust solution tailored to your specific needs, Butter Technology, here to help. Their expertise in bridging the gap between modern devices and existing infrastructures makes them a trusted partner in digital transformation. We highly recommend checking them out if you are looking for a reliable custom software development service. Visit buttertech.com to learn more. Now, back to our discussion.
Thank you, Alex. Now, let's delve deeper into the business impact of wearable technology. The wearable tech market is growing at an exponential rate. With consumers becoming more health conscious and technology becoming more affordable, the market is expected to continue its upward trajectory. Businesses that are quick to adopt and integrate these technologies are likely to see a competitive edge. Can you elaborate on some of the ways companies are leveraging wearable technology in their operations, Alex?
Certainly, Taylor. Companies are employing wearable technology in a variety of innovative ways. For instance, insurance companies are starting to offer discounts or rewards to customers who regularly monitor their health through wearables. This not only encourages healthy lifestyles, but also helps in risk assessment and management. Retailers are also exploring partnerships with wearable tech companies to offer personalized shopping experiences. Beyond these consumer-facing applications, there is also significant potential in employee wellness programs. Businesses are using wearables to monitor employee health, reduce healthcare costs, and boost overall productivity by identifying and mitigating stress factors early on.
That is very insightful, Alex. And there is also a massive opportunity for research and development in this space. The continuous data provided by wearables is a goldmine for clinical research. Researchers can use this data to study health trends, understand the progression of diseases, and develop targeted treatments. There is a symbiotic relationship here. The technology benefits from the real-world data provided by users, while researchers and healthcare providers gain valuable insights into health and disease patterns.
Absolutely, Taylor. The potential for improved patient outcomes is significant. However, the widespread adoption of wearable technology in healthcare is not without its hurdles. We mentioned interoperability and data privacy earlier, but another challenge is ensuring that the technology is accessible to everyone. Not all patients are comfortable with or have access to high-tech devices, which could potentially widen the healthcare disparity gap. What are your thoughts on how we can address these challenges, Taylor?
Accessibility is a key factor in the successful adoption of wearable technology in healthcare. To ensure that these innovations benefit all segments of the population, we need to focus on creating devices that are user-friendly and affordable. Governments and healthcare organizations should collaborate with tech companies to subsidize costs and provide educational programs that help users understand how to use these devices effectively. Additionally, creating regulatory frameworks that protect user data without stifling innovation is essential. Balancing innovation with regulation can be challenging, but it is crucial for building trust and ensuring equitable access to healthcare technology.
That is a great point, Taylor. Trust is essential. When patients trust that their data is secure and that the technology is truly in their best interest, they are more likely to embrace it. Now, let us talk about the role of artificial intelligence in wearable technology. While our podcast is named Artificially Intelligent, today's discussion is focused on wearables and healthcare. Nonetheless, AI plays a significant role in making sense of the data generated by these devices. Could you shed some light on that, Taylor?
Certainly, Alex. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms are at the heart of processing the vast amounts of data generated by wearables. These algorithms analyze patterns and detect anomalies that might be indicative of underlying health issues. For instance, by monitoring heart rate patterns over time, AI can flag potential arrhythmias or even predict the likelihood of cardiac events. Moreover, AI can help in personalizing health recommendations based on individual data, making interventions more effective. It is not just about collecting data, but about interpreting it in a meaningful way that leads to actionable insights.
And that level of personalization in healthcare is truly transformative. When patients receive advice and care that is tailored specifically to their needs, it increases the likelihood of successful outcomes. This shift from a one-size-fits-all approach to a more personalized model is one of the most exciting prospects in modern healthcare. But with such immense potential comes responsibility. Taylor, how do you think healthcare providers can maintain the delicate balance between leveraging AI for personalized care and ensuring that patient data is used ethically?
That is a critical question, Alex. Healthcare providers must establish robust ethical guidelines and transparent data practices. This involves obtaining informed consent from patients, ensuring data anonymization where possible, and maintaining strict access controls. Furthermore, continuous audits and compliance with international data protection standards are essential. It is also vital for healthcare providers to engage in open dialogue with patients about how their data is being used. Education and transparency can go a long way in building trust. In addition, interdisciplinary collaborations between technologists, ethicists, and healthcare professionals can help develop frameworks that ensure ethical use of AI in healthcare.
Excellent insights, Taylor. Speaking of interdisciplinary collaborations, let us not forget the important role of cross-industry partnerships in advancing wearable technology. Collaborations between tech companies, healthcare providers, and research institutions are critical in pushing the boundaries of what wearable technology can achieve. For example, partnerships that focus on developing new sensor technologies or improving data analytics capabilities are essential for driving the field forward. Taylor, do you have any examples of notable partnerships that have made significant strides in this area?
Absolutely, Alex. One notable example is the collaboration between leading tech companies and major healthcare institutions to develop wearable devices that can monitor chronic conditions in real time. These partnerships have led to devices that not only track vital signs, but also integrate with electronic health records to provide a comprehensive view of a patient's health history. Another exciting partnership involves research institutions working alongside wearable tech companies to explore the potential of biosensors in early disease detection. These collaborations have resulted in innovative prototypes that are now in clinical trials, promising to revolutionize the way we approach preventive healthcare.
Those examples truly illustrate the power of collaborative innovation. When multiple stakeholders come together, the pace of innovation accelerates and the benefits are shared across the entire healthcare ecosystem. But as with any emerging technology, there are always skeptics. Some critics argue that wearable technology may lead to an over-reliance on data and a depersonalization of the patient-doctor relationship. Taylor, what is your take on this criticism?
That is an important criticism to consider, Alex. While wearable technology and AI offer tremendous benefits, it is essential to remember that they are tools meant to complement, not replace, the human element in healthcare. The relationship between patients and healthcare providers is built on trust, empathy, and understanding. Technology can provide valuable insights, but it cannot replace the nuanced judgment and emotional support that a human doctor provides. Therefore, the goal should be to use these technologies to enhance the patient-doctor relationship rather than undermine it. When used appropriately, wearable technology can empower both patients and doctors, leading to more informed discussions and better overall care.
Very well said, Taylor. It is all about finding the right balance between technology and the human touch. As we look to the future, it is exciting to imagine how wearable technology will continue to evolve. We can expect to see even more advanced sensors, longer battery lives, and seamless integration with other smart devices. The potential for these devices to monitor mental health, manage chronic conditions, and even predict health emergencies is vast. But with these advancements, there will also be new challenges to address, such as ensuring equitable access and continuous innovation in data security.
Exactly, Alex. The future of wearable technology is full of promise, but it also requires careful planning and collaboration across multiple sectors. As new devices hit the market, there will be a need for continuous updates in regulatory standards, patient education programs, and technological improvements to keep up with the ever-growing data streams. The business landscape will need to adapt to these changes by investing in research and development and prioritizing interoperability. And this brings us back to the role of companies like Butter Technology. Their custom software development services are essential in creating the bridges between new wearable technologies and the legacy systems that many healthcare institutions still rely on. It is all part of a larger ecosystem that strives to improve health outcomes and drive innovation forward.
Speaking of legacy systems and integration, let us explore that aspect a little further. Many healthcare organizations still operate with decades-old systems that are not designed to handle the influx of data from modern wearable devices. This creates a significant challenge when trying to implement a comprehensive digital health strategy. Taylor, could you share your thoughts on how businesses can overcome these legacy challenges?
Certainly, Alex. The key lies in finding cost-effective and scalable solutions that can integrate new technology with existing systems. One approach is to use middleware solutions that act as a translator between different data formats and protocols. These solutions can help streamline the flow of data from wearable devices to the legacy systems in place. Additionally, businesses should consider incremental upgrades rather than complete overhauls, which can be both time-consuming and expensive. In many cases, custom software development, like that offered by Butter Technology, provides a tailored solution that addresses specific integration challenges without disrupting the entire infrastructure. It is about creating a bridge between the old and the new while ensuring that patient care is never compromised.
That makes a lot of sense. Transitioning gradually while ensuring compatibility is the most practical approach for many organizations. And with the support of expert developers, the integration process can be much smoother. Another important aspect to consider is user experience. When designing wearable devices and their accompanying software, it is essential to ensure that they are intuitive and accessible. Taylor, what role does user experience play in the success of wearable technology in healthcare?
User experience is absolutely critical, Alex. The most advanced device is useless if patients find it too complicated or uncomfortable to use on a daily basis. A seamless user interface and a comfortable design can significantly improve adherence and overall satisfaction. Developers must conduct extensive usability testing with real patients and healthcare providers to gather feedback and make iterative improvements. In the healthcare context, where the stakes are high, a user-friendly design can mean the difference between effective monitoring and data that goes unused. Moreover, ensuring accessibility for individuals of all ages and technical abilities is vital. If we want wearable technology to be truly transformative, it must be designed with inclusivity in mind.
In addition to usability, another critical factor is data accuracy and reliability. The trust in these devices largely depends on their ability to provide precise readings consistently. With so many different devices on the market, standardization and calibration become very important. Taylor, how can manufacturers and developers work together to ensure that these devices maintain a high level of accuracy?
Maintaining high standards of accuracy in wearable technology requires a concerted effort from manufacturers, developers, and regulatory bodies. Manufacturers must invest in quality components and rigorous testing protocols during the design and production stages. At the same time, developers need to implement sophisticated algorithms that can filter out noise and correct for any discrepancies in the data. Collaboration with healthcare professionals during the testing phase is also invaluable. This ensures that the devices are calibrated against clinical-grade equipment and that any anomalies are addressed promptly. In many cases, third-party certifications and compliance with international standards can provide additional assurance to both healthcare providers and patients.
It is evident that the future of wearable technology in healthcare depends not only on innovative hardware, but also on robust software solutions and industry collaboration. As we progress, we will likely see further innovations that make these devices even more indispensable in our daily lives. Now, shifting gears a bit, let us address another intriguing aspect of wearable technology: its potential role in mental health monitoring and management. Taylor, can you share your insights on this emerging area?
Mental health is an area that has often been challenging to quantify and monitor. However, with the advent of wearable technology, we now have new tools that can help track indicators of mental well-being. For example, wearables can monitor physiological markers such as heart rate variability, skin conductance, and sleep quality. These metrics can serve as proxies for stress levels and overall mental health. When combined with machine learning algorithms, these devices can potentially detect early signs of anxiety or depression, prompting timely interventions. Of course, this application requires careful ethical considerations and strict data privacy measures, but the potential to improve mental health care is substantial.
The intersection of wearable technology and mental health care is indeed a promising frontier. With better insights into mental well-being, healthcare providers can offer more proactive support, potentially preventing crises before they occur. But this also raises questions about data sensitivity and the importance of maintaining confidentiality. Taylor, what safeguards do you think are necessary when it comes to handling mental health data collected from wearables?
Mental health data is extremely sensitive, and its handling requires the utmost care. First and foremost, all data should be anonymized whenever possible. Healthcare providers and developers should ensure that data is stored securely and only accessible by authorized personnel. Encryption during data transmission and storage is essential. Additionally, patients should be fully informed about what data is being collected, how it will be used, and who will have access to it. Obtaining explicit consent and providing options to opt out of certain data collection practices can help maintain trust. Finally, adhering to strict regulatory standards and conducting regular audits can ensure that all measures remain effective over time.
These measures are fundamental to maintaining trust and ensuring that wearable technology can truly be a force for good in healthcare. As we look forward, the role of technology in improving health outcomes continues to expand, and with it, the responsibilities of all stakeholders become even more significant. Taylor, as we near the end of today's discussion, what do you see as the next big breakthrough or trend in wearable technology for healthcare?
Looking ahead, I believe the integration of multimodal sensors is going to be a major breakthrough. Imagine devices that can not only monitor physical activity, but also capture biochemical markers through non-invasive means. We are already seeing early prototypes that can analyze sweat or interstitial fluid to measure glucose levels, hydration, and other vital parameters. Additionally, the convergence of wearable technology with augmented reality could provide real-time feedback to users about their health, transforming how we interact with our own data. This combination of advanced sensors and immersive technology has the potential to revolutionize personal health management, making healthcare more proactive and personalized than ever before.
That is a truly exciting vision, Taylor. The convergence of multiple technologies promises to bring us closer to a future where healthcare is not just reactive but truly predictive. With advancements in sensor technology, data analytics, and user interface design, we are on the brink of a new era in personal health management. And with thoughtful integration and collaboration, the benefits will extend far beyond individual health, impacting the entire healthcare ecosystem.
Exactly, Alex. The journey toward a more integrated, data-driven approach to healthcare is complex and filled with challenges. But with the right strategies and partnerships, including leveraging custom software development services from experts like Butter Technology, the potential rewards are immense. These breakthroughs will not only improve patient outcomes, but also optimize healthcare resources and reduce costs in the long run.
It is heartening to see the level of innovation and collaboration happening in this field. Wearable technology is more than just a trend. It is a transformative force that is reshaping the way we approach health and wellness. As we continue to explore these advancements, it is essential that we maintain a focus on ethical practices, data security, and inclusivity.
Absolutely, Alex. And as we wrap up today's discussion, I want to emphasize the importance of staying informed and engaged with these emerging trends. Whether you are a healthcare professional, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone who cares about the future of well-being, there is much to be excited about. The integration of wearable technology in healthcare is still in its early stages, and the possibilities are endless.
Taylor, thank you for your insightful contributions today. Our conversation has touched on the evolution of wearable technology, its transformative impact on healthcare, the challenges of data integration and privacy, and even the promising future of mental health monitoring. It is clear that while there are hurdles to overcome, the benefits of this technology are profound and far-reaching.
Thank you, Alex. It has been a pleasure discussing this fascinating topic. I hope our listeners have gained valuable insights into how wearable technology is poised to change the landscape of healthcare for the better.
And to our listeners, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into wearable technology and healthcare. We encourage you to keep exploring, asking questions, and staying informed about the innovations that are shaping our world. Remember, whether it is through new sensors, advanced algorithms, or collaborative partnerships, the future of healthcare is bright and full of promise.
That is right, Alex. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future episodes, please reach out to us on social media. We value your feedback and look forward to bringing you more engaging discussions in the weeks to come.
And with that, we have reached the end of another insightful episode of Artificially Intelligent. Thank you for spending your time with us as we explored the dynamic intersection of wearable technology and healthcare. I hope you found our discussion both informative and inspiring.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We appreciate your time and interest in this evolving topic. Stay tuned for more episodes where we continue to unravel the complexities of technology and business.
Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and stay artificially intelligent.